Greeting guys. We have already calculated single factor productivity for old system, and we calculated also multi-factor productivity for the old system. So currently I'm going to show you how to calculate productivity change, right? But in order for me to calculate labor productivity, productivity change, we have to calculate labor productivity and multi-factor productivity for the new system, so that we can compare the two and then decide on which system is better than the other. So what is going to happen? Since we have two systems, we are done with the first system. We are now going to calculate labor productivity for the new system, right? If you go back to the statement, you say the new computerized title search system will allow the processing of 14 titles per day. So this is what can be produced with the new equipment, right? And then they said, although the staff, their work hours and pay are the same, right? The overhead expenses are now 800 per day. So meaning that what is going to change is um, the expenses, but we are not there since we are calculating labor productivity for the new system, right? So new system labor productivity is going to be, we follow the same procedure as we did when we were calculating single factor productivity for the old system. So but here you must look at the number of units produced. How many titles were produced per day here? We have 14 titles, like mentioned on in the statement here, right? So 14 titles, right, divided by the we're dealing with labor. So this is single productivity for labor. When we are done with single factor productivity, we can now calculate the multi-factor productivity, right? And from there we can now calculate change in productivity. That is where your decision will be based on. So here is 14 divided by, still they say the number of employees remain the same, right? So 4 employees multiplied by 8 hours. Each employee works 8 hours. So multiply by 8, close the bracket, and you should get 40.4375. You should get 0.4375, right? And the unit is still the same, titles per labor hour, right? So this is how you calculate labor productivity, right? Which also called single factor productivity. Okay, quickly, let me just stop this video, and then I'll you follow me, watch the other video where I'm going to show you how to calculate productivity change in labor, right? So this will help us to decide if this company is being profitable in terms of labor usage or not. That is where you can be able to decide, right? Using the information that you have calculated or generated, right? Please quickly catch me in the next video so that I can show you how to calculate change in productivity.